Welcome to The Meadows, a gated community in Southwest Reno off Arrow Creek Parkway and Wedge Parkway. This exclusive enclave of only 78 homes offers something special that most others can't boast: walkability. Only steps outside this neighborhood, you're presented with some of Reno's most cherished eateries, bars, and retail establishments. Hub Coffee, Pinion Bottle, Zephyr Wine Bar, and even a wellness spa are all located just a couple minutes from your front door, not to mention one of the largest regional parks in the area. If the Southwest Reno lifestyle, walkability, and proximity to Lake Tahoe, Mount Rose Ski, and other outdoor activities is what you're looking for, this should be your next move.